Good afternoon, everyone. War day number 644. Yes, 644 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Yeah, the second war is also started. Anyway, in this daily newspaper of Wednesday, November the 29th, 2023, we have two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku, and the regular Medium Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have two Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all in the evening. Only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But first, let me solve these two regular puzzles, the Jigsaw Sudoku and the Medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 7529. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the Sudokus in the additional, it should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then 3, need it. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in the last row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 1, 1. Then need a 9 here. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column 3. The only place left for the 4 should be here. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 4. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. Here, 4 in the first column, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, and 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 7. Oh, the only 2 places left. We have a 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Need a 7 here. 7, 1, 8. Okay. Need a 2. Need a 9. Need a 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for almost 1. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for almost 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. So 1 digit left now in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing and 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 2 goes there. Need a 7 here. Need a 8 here. Yes, 6 here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the second column, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Then 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4. Should be there, here, 4. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Okay. Then need a 3 here. Well, need a 9 here. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square, 1 of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in this row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 1, 2, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square, 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. And we have a 1 and a 2 in this column, the 1 and a 2 in the middle column. So the column next down, only 2 places left for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1 and the 2, 3 and the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Alright. And now, let me see. We have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then 1, 8 and 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, okay. White, 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. 1, 2 is missing and a 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those. Okay. How about 2, 3 and a 1, 3? Okay. Yeah. Need a 3 in this row. Need a 3 in this big square. We have 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Need a 3 here. Well, in this row, the first row, we need a 3. Here can be 3 because we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, or there. We see another 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 in the second column, no 3 there. So the only place left for 3 should be there. 1, 8, and the 2. Need a 2 here. 1, 2, and 8. 1, 2, and 8. 2 and 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 8. Come on, come on, come on. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those. Okay, 3. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 and 8, we have 8 in the first row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 and 8, we have 8 in the third row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright, and now 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 9, we have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 and the 2, we have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, and a 2 is missing, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, we solved it again, we solved it again. 2 stars, no, let me give this 1 star, no, 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. So well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.